mice in tiny hats wiggle their tails and sit on mats. Dr. Ducky toots the horn. All aboard, it's train time at dawn. Chug a choo, choo, here we go. Riding on the track so nice and slow. Orange train with wheels so round. Clickety clack, what a happy sound. Through the fields and over the stream, the mice all sing and laugh and dream. Dr. Ducky hands out snacks with care, cheesy puffs and fruit to share. Chug a choo, choo, feel the breeze. Wave to the cows and apple trees. Orange train with the sunny glow. Off to the giggle town we go. Mice go squeak and Ducky goes quack. Engine puffs clouds from a giant stack. The train goes up and down the slide. What a wibbly wobbly woozy ride! When the sun begins to set so low, it's time to end our train ride show. But don't be sad, just shout hooray! We'll ride the orange train another